Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to select all elements in Canva, both on the desktop and in the Canva app on the mobile. So let's just take a quick look. The easiest way to do select all in Canva is just click on the page, click on the design, and just click Control A. And then it will select all the design, all the elements that you have, and you can meet them all together. It will not select the background though. The other way to do is to just drag your cursor across the design and all of the elements will be selected as well. I prefer doing Control A because it makes sure that I don't miss, like if I have a very small element, then I don't miss that one, but both ways work. The third way is, of course, to select them individually. So you select one, then you press Shift, select something else, then something else. You can select multiple objects like this. But that is, of course, more cumbersome. This is only applicable if you want to select only a couple or three elements. Like here, I have selected the text and maybe this one and this one and this one. And I want to move these and I want to keep the others the same. But if you want to select all elements, then just simply click Control A or just drag your cursor. Now let's look at how we can select all elements in the Canva app. In this video, we're going to look at how to select all or multiple elements in the Canva app. So all you have to do is just click on any element first. So I'm going to click on the text, which is my biggest element. And then you click on these three dots over here. And then you do select multiple. And then you click on whichever elements you need. As long as select multiple is on, it will keep selecting your elements. And once you're done, you can either group them or duplicate or delete or whatever, right? You can select as many elements that you want. It's not as convenient as on the desktop, but because you cannot do Control or drag your cursor, but it's still, there is a possibility to select all of them or multiple elements if you want in the Canva app.